Hey everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your business to Google Business Listings. So let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is come over here to google.com. The next thing you want to do is click this icon over here, which is the Google Apps screen or the Google Apps icon. And once you click on the Google Apps icon, you'll see this icon named Business Profile Manager. Just click on Business Profile Manager. And once you're in Business Profile Manager, it's very straightforward. You could come over here and you could look at the list of businesses that you have, as well as if you do have a verified address, you could actually verify it by pressing just the Get Verified. And then they'll send you a letter which has numeric codes on it, which you enter it. And then once you enter it, you'll be verified. So to add your business listing, all you have to do is come over here, click on Add Business Listing, and you could either import this business if you had it from another account or add a single business. So over here, the best way to do this, and I'm going to get back into reviews and images and etc. in a few seconds, just click over here, put in your business name. I'm just going to put in, this is a sample. And if it's found, then it'll actually pop up if your business hasn't been claimed yet. Okay, business category, I'm just going to pretend this is a restaurant. And you click on proceed for next. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? So pretty much, if you're a brick and mortar store where retail customers could come in, you'd select yes, if not, no. So I'm just going to select yes for now as an example. Now you can enter your business address. So I'm just going to pop in some information here. And as you're putting in information, Google is going to auto-correct this if they find it necessary, and you're just going to select next. And if there's an existing business there or one that matches your business, you could say, you can select this checkmark box or say this doesn't match and select next. The next screen, it's going to ask you, do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? You could select here, yes or no. And now you could put in the phone number which you want customers to contact you. I'm just going to enter something here. As well as this is where you put in your website. And it's optional. I'm just going to select next. So now what you can do, there's two ways to get verified. You can select a way to get verified through a phone code or through a business video. And if you select more options, you can say verify later. And I'm just going to verify later. And then now this is where you could put in your business hours. So you could let your customers know what days you're open. And I'm just going to do this. For example, I'm going to say I'm open at 9 a.m. on Monday and we close at 5 p.m. And I'm just going to select next. And for restaurants, it's going to ask you a whole bunch of questions here. Dine in, yes, takeout, curbside pickup, drive-through, delivery, no contact delivery. And I'm just going to select yes for all of these. Select next. Now you could add a business description. For now, I'm just going to select skip. And here's the important part. This is where you want to add a lot of your images, whether it's a menu or a coupon or a discount, some of your food or photos or the type of service that you can offer, or you could skip this. So I'm just going to click skip. Now add photos of your dishes if you would like. I'm going to skip this. And now it's going to ask you if you'd like to advertise, and you could advertise easily in minutes. For now, I'm just going to skip this. And now it says your edits will be visible once you're verified. So I'm just going to click on continue. But for this example, I'm not going to select continue. I'm just going to back out and delete this. So that's how you add your Google Business Profile Manager. I'm just going to go into my existing one and I'm going to show you what you can add, what you can edit, and what you can share to some of your customers that you want to send a link. Maybe you want to get a review. You could send this link to them. So let me just cancel this. So here's an important part of Google Business Profile Manager. So over here, you could add call to action buttons. So when you create a post here, let's say you had a service or you had a dish or a discount that you wanted to offer that you wanted some of your customers to see, you could click on over here on this plus icon. You could create a post. And now you can add photos or service, or if this is food that you're offering, it could be a special 1 week kind of dish that you're offering. And I'm just going to put a new coupon for firecracker shrimp. And now you can come over here. They could order online. They can call now. They could sign up. They could learn more. Or, if you had an online menu, you could select here, online menu or book. Now, if you had a link on your website, you could copy that link, put it in here, and then post that. And now it's going to go onto your Google Business Manager profile. And the next thing I want to show you is you could add photos here as well. So you could update photos. And then I'm going to show you how to edit some features or get some information that you can send to your customers. I think one of the most important part parts of this is your website, obviously, the phone number, as well as the open date. Location and hours is very important because a lot of businesses are going to be looking for the location, the exact location, so they could easily pop that up into Google Maps and it'll direct them exactly to your business or the service location that you're at, as well as the hours. The next thing you want to do is come over to see your profile. And let's say you provide a service or you wanted to have one of your customers to leave a review and you had access to their email or text or you use some kind of SMS marketing. You could just come over to your business and click over here, Google review. And over here, it's going to say get more reviews. Okay, so now what you can do is you can review the link. You could copy this link, or what you can do is you could publish this to Facebook, send it to someone on WhatsApp, or email someone. What I like to do is just copy this. I like to put it in a notepad, and every time I come into contact with one of my customers that I haven't seen in a while, I just copy this and say, hey, I haven't seen you in a while. Do you mind filling out a review? It'd really help our business. So that's everything for your business in the Google properties. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you in the next one.